Did you know that near about 35% of global population is suffering from misalignment of teeth? Misalignment of teeth is the leading cause for future oral health problems, yet less than 1% actually take the treatment. The leading cause for not taking treatment is the treatment of clear aligners is super expensive. Here where Glanzify step in. With our innovative and patented technology, we are able to manufacture clear aligners in much more efficient and sustainable way by using a concept of universal mold. With this method, we are able to reduce near about 90% manufacturing time, 90% manufacturing cost, as well as 90% of raw material required for manufacturing. We plan to sell this machine to local orthodontists, laboratories, teledentistry platforms, or mass manufacturer of aligners. In short, we want to sell these machines to whoever who wants to start their own clear aligner manufacturing. We have a dynamic team consisting of technical expertise as well as having a business background. Currently, our machine is under the certification phase for Germany, and we plan to launch our machine in the January of 2024. If this solution finds you interesting and if you want to make your own custom clear aligners, please feel free to visit our website or contact us. Thank you so much.